The governor of Jonglei State Chagor has suspended two members of the state parliament on Friday after the legislative body threatened to impeach his finance minister. Chagor suspended lawmakers Antar Bayak Kul and Gatluak Gabriel John in a gubernatorial decree citing his constitutional powers. An exercise of the powers conferred upon me under Article 99, 2I, Chagor, Governor of Jonglei State, do hereby issue this decree for the suspension of members of parliament in Jonglei State Legislative Assembly, reads the decree. The MPs were suspended a week after the state parliament passed a vote of no confidence against a finance minister. Jonglei State Finance Minister Abraham Uick faces impeachment or resignation after the Tuesday's vote of no confidence. He had appeared before the state parliament to explain the delay in state budget and payment of civil servants. Meanwhile, the state capital Bor town has been rocked by civil servants' strikes and protests this week. On Thursday, the spokesperson of Jonglei State Labor Union said civil servants have gone on a general strike over non-payment of their 5-month salary arrears. Ibrahim also said the striking workers demand for dissolution of the so-called screening committee for payment of arrears allegedly formed by the state government to resolve the pay strike. Later that day, 3 ringleaders of the strike were arrested while preparing for a peaceful demonstration over non-payment of salaries in the state capital Bor. Ibrahim Diu, the spokesperson of Jonglei State Workers Trade Union, said those arrested include the chairperson of Jonglei Workers Trade Union, David Mayan, and his secretary, Samuel Magier Luch. The chairperson of Teachers Union Ruben Maisho Mail was also arrested. Ibrahim said police arrested the trio this afternoon on the orders of the state governor Chagor. Edmund Yukani, executive director of Community Empowerment for Progress organization, said the suspension is unacceptable and should not be embraced. I would like to take this opportunity to call upon the leadership of Jonglei State that the implementation of the revitalized agreement requires a free and fair space for dialogue among various actors, Yukani said. And state parliamentarians are the legitimate body that can raise a question and check and balance to make sure that the actions of the state contribute to the implementation of the agreement, he added. Governor Chagor also fired the mayor of Bor